Welcome to Backend Engineering from Zero to Production. In this series, we'll understand how modern web applications work by exploring real-world concepts one step at a time. Today, we'll answer a fascinating question. What actually happens when you type google.com into your browser and press enter? It may look like a simple action, but behind the scenes, your computer performs dozens of operations in less than a second. The browser checks its cache, contacts DNS servers, establishes secure connections, sends HTTP requests, receives responses, and finally renders the web page. The browser first checks whether it already knows the IP address for google.com. If the information is available locally, it can skip the DNS lookup completely, saving valuable time. If the address isn't found locally, the browser asks a domain name system server. DNS acts like the contact list on your phone. You remember names like google.com, while DNS remembers the actual IP addresses. Once the IP address is known, the browser establishes a secure HTTPS connection with Google's servers. This keeps your communication encrypted and protects your data while it travels across the internet. The browser sends an HTTP GET request asking Google's web server to provide the homepage. This request contains information such as your browser type, accepted languages, and other headers. Google's servers receive the request, process it, retrieve the necessary information from internal services and databases if needed, and prepare the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images required to display the page. The browser downloads all these resources, builds the web page, executes JavaScript, applies styles, and finally displays Google's homepage on your screen. All of this usually happens in less than 1 second. Today we learned that opening a website involves browser caching, DNS resolution, secure HTTPS communication, HTTP requests, server-side processing, and browser rendering. In the next episode, we'll explore DNS in much greater detail and understand how domain names become IP addresses.